Alright guys, the watch list video for Friday. I'm going to start with XOMA. Had a nice pop here on volume. Came up close to getting into this gap. Now you've had it 2 days lower on declining volume. So this one might turn on Friday, and then you'll have potential catalyst of this high and this high to take out also. But I'm going to be watching for an intraday turn. See if we can't get one of our bounce play setups on an intraday basis. I never hold overnight, so I just start every day with a watch list and then see if we can't catch some setups plus some gappers. EROS, do not go around telling people that I said this is a good looking chart for a long. Having said that, I do think it's a nice potential. It's so beaten up that this was like $33 back here, which has been what, maybe 3 weeks, and now it's down here at 12 something. So I think it's getting ahead of itself. It had a bounce this day and then tanked again. About a day and a half bounce, and now you're down 2 days lower again. Pretty good volume today. Even though this isn't really sitting at support, let's glance at the weekly. So you're below. This was the support I was looking at. Now you're below that. I still wouldn't be surprised to see this turn. It might have another red day in it before it bounces. But even just over the last 2 days, it's fallen from 1736 down to 12 and a half today at one point. So I think it's a good candidate for a bounce. And even as weak as this is, we've had some beautiful, some beautiful long trades in it in the chat room. So just looking for a bounce, but it's really beaten up. Coach, COH, nice gap up on volume 3 sessions ago, popped, but then sold off another day and another day. Now it's kind of finding an equilibrium. We're basically almost closed where it opened, back down to the 8-day moving average. This one has a potential to bounce up, turn up tomorrow. On Friday. HOG now, short term, this seems extended. Had a pretty nice move. But sometimes you can get a red to green on something like this and get a nice follow through the next day. So I want to watch HOG. QUNR just is getting a little bit tighter. It's putting in lower highs and higher lows. So it might break to the upside tomorrow. I got to like it over, I don't know, maybe over 46. If we get up into like 46.80s, tomorrow, I think it pushes through and takes out today's high, and then you've got it the day before that's high just above, so it might start kind of fulfilling this little tightening pattern to the upside. Not in love with that one, but doesn't cost me anything to have it on a chart. INVN, very nice breakout today, but gave back about half of its gains. Just want to watch that for a potential red to green, something like that tomorrow. SUNE, nice volume today. It got a pretty good pop in the afternoon, gave a little bit of that back. I want to watch for some follow through. This is a really beaten up stock, and the volume, there's 15-minute, there's 60-minute candles. The volume this afternoon was super interesting. So that one, maybe a red to green or something like that. So keep SUNE on a chart. NCR ahead on a chart today for a potential long. Just kind of a quiet inside day today. Didn't do anything with it, but I like it over today's high, over 26.41. Then it might push through this 26.56 high from yesterday. So you kind of have a couple stacked catalysts there, and that's NCR. And then a cheapy OHGI. Nice volume pop today. Took out, I don't know, a good month's worth of trading. So maybe a red to green on that one on Friday as well. We will also look for gappers in the morning and intraday reversal setups as well. Those are kind of the 3 things I do. I start with a watch list like this, some daily charts that are interesting. Also do the gap plays in the morning, and then as the day goes on, also like to play reversal plays. So that's the extent of what I do, and I get to cash every night and start the next day fresh. Very, very few losing days if you do this properly. All right, I'm done babbling if I don't talk to you tomorrow night, which I won't. I don't put out a video on Friday night, so enjoy your weekend, and my next video will be on Sunday night.